Yes, absolutely, Divya. We are standing here at Rail Ghat at Mahakumbh, and yesterday only CM Yogi Adityanath was here, and he also personally reviewed the situation, and DG was also here, and he also reviewed the security situations here. So if I show you around that there is no dearth in enthusiasm at this Mahakumbh, because devotees are still gathering here and they are here in devotion. If you see around, there are a lot of people. Even yesterday only 1.49 crore people had taken a holy dip here. So everybody who comes here arrives at one of the ghats and prefers to go to Triveni Sangam, which is Yamuna rivers there. All the three rivers meet there, and if you see around, there are people, devotees, who have come here at Rail Ghat and taking the boats or ferries to reach Sangam Ghat and take a holy dip, because that's the only motive here, and that's keeping up them. No horizon on the sun. Even early morning, when there is no sunrise, people start walking towards the ghat and secure. I talk about the security arrangements here. So at every corner, there are police officials deployed there. Cops are there who are telling them which routes to take and which not to take. There are certain restricted routes as well. So if they have to go to Sangam Ghat, there are multiple routes. So if there is a VIP going, and there are alternative routes which are arranged for them. And if I show you around, there are a lot of devotees that have come today as well, and it doesn't seem like that anything is stopping them. So if I talk about the security situations here, yes, certainly at the river bank, there are police officials who are telling them that not to go at certain areas. These are restricted because the water could be quite deep as well. But then the faith which is keeping them up always, so everybody is arriving here and wants to take a holy dip, because they believe that they would attain salvation and would certainly be free away from the cycle of rebirth. And the unfortunate incident that has happened at the Delhi railway station, of course, here at Prayagraj also, because few days back only, during the 29th of this month, a lot of stampede had happened. And I would like to tell you that during 30 people had died there.